Hello guys and welcome! I've been hunting for a solution for a while now that will allow me to put my video camera above my tabletop so I can film some YouTube movies. And I came across this little beauty that's usually used for CCTV cameras. This bracket allows you to mount your camera equipment multiple ways, so you can screw it into a desktop so it's point and shoot, so pointing straight at your face, or you can screw it to your ceiling joists and hang your projector down from it or your camera, or like me, you can fix it horizontally to the wall so that it's sticking out and mount your camera so it's pointing either down or straight ahead. So in the box then you get the mount itself, which screws easily into the actual bracket that affixes to the wall or the ceiling or the desk, and you get a little bag which has got the screws in and the wall plugs, and there's also a little adapter in there should your equipment have, you know, a smaller port in the bottom of it. Unfortunately there were no instructions in the box, and the box wasn't branded either, which is a bit strange, so I'm hoping this will be easy to operate and fix to the wall. Initial impressions, well, it's incredibly light, so yes, it is metal. Well, it looks like metal, and it is very, very light, but it does feel sturdy enough. I think this can hold equipment up to 5 kilograms, and I've got no doubt that it will do that. It is quite sturdy. It's also telescopic, so you can undo the screw at the top and you can pull it in and out, and there's a stopper in there to stop you pulling it out all the way. That's why I bought this larger one. There is a smaller one, but I bought this larger one so I could pull it out more from the wall and get directly over my tabletop underneath. It comes with a standard camera fitting on the top, which I've already tried, and it seems to work fine. It screws in nicely to the camera, and the whole fitting is on a ball joint, so you can swivel it around into any angle you want and then lock it down with the big lock-in that's at the top. So without any further ado, let's have a go at popping this on the wall.